Hi class, today we're reading The Family Book by Todd Parr. He's the author of the book, so that means he wrote the words in the book. Before we start reading this book, I want to know, what is a family? What do you guys think a family is? And what does it mean to be a family? Look at these people. Do you think they look like a family? Maybe you could talk about that with your own family and see what they say. Some families are big. Some families are small. What kind of family do you have? Is it a big family like this? Or maybe it's a small family? Can you count how many people are in your family? Some families are the same color. Some families are different colors. All families like to hug each other. Some families live near each other. Some families live far from each other. Is there anyone in your family that lives far away from you? I know I have people in my family that live far away from me. But even if they don't live with you, they can still be a part of your family. Some families look alike. Some families look like their pets. That's silly. So some families might look like each other, but some families might look different than one another. All families are sad when they lose someone they love. Remember when we talked about feeling sad and what it looks like and what it means? Which fish do you think is sad? The fish on top or the fish on the bottom? I think the fish on the bottom looks sad. I can tell from his sad face. Some families have a stepmom or stepdad and stepsisters or stepbrothers. Some families adopt children. Some families have two moms or two dads. Some families have one parent instead of two. All families like to celebrate special days together. What do you think they're celebrating in this picture? I see a cake with candles, and they're wearing hats, and they have balloons. It looks like they're celebrating a birthday. Do you guys celebrate your birthdays with your families? Some families eat the same things. Some families eat different things. What kind of foods do you like to eat with your family? Some families like to be quiet. Some families like to be noisy. Some families like to be clean. Some families like to be messy. Some families live in a house by themselves. Some families share a house with other families. All families can help each other be strong. There are lots of different ways to be a family. Your family is special no matter what kind it is. Wow, did you guys know that there were so many different kinds of families? Have you ever met somebody that had a different kind of family than you do? I'm sure all of you guys have different kinds of families, but I'm sure they're all special in their own way, and we love our families.